Assalamu alaikum class, this is Harmukesh here. Okay, now from last 3 or 4 days we are doing volume and surface area of pyramid. Volume mean space occupied by the pyramids. Volume of pyramid mean total space occupied by the pyramid, and surface area mean the total surface covered by all the faces of the pyramid. So there is difference between volume and surface area. Volume mean occupying space by the pyramid, and total surface area of pyramid, so total surface of pyramid mean the total surface covered by all the faces of the pyramid. So we know that pyramid always dependent on their polygonal base. What is polygonal base? A face on which it's supposed to be standing, or a face which is on the ground. So look here, this is a square base pyramid. So ABCD is a polygonal square face. So we call it polygonal base because this ABCD, this square ABCD is on the ground. On ABCD, this pyramid is supposed to be standing, so that's why we call it polygonal base. The face on which the pyramid is supposed to be standing, the face which is on the ground, the face which is touching the ground, the face which is in contact with ground. So this ABCD is a polygonal base. So this is four-sided polygonal base. So with all the four sides, there will be a slanted triangle attached with it. So look here, AB. This is the first side of a square. So with AB, there is a triangle AOB. There is triangle AOB attached with it. Okay. Now the second length BC. With BC, there is one more slanted triangle attached with BOC. So this is second triangle. So the third length is CD. So guys, look here, CD. So there is one more triangle attached with it. So COD. That is third triangle, COD. And the fourth side is AD. So with AD, there is also a slanted triangle attached with it. AOD. Look here, AO and D. This is the fourth triangle. So this pyramid has a square polygonal base. So if the polygonal base is square, a four-sided figure, so with all the four sides, there will be four triangles attached with it. So in a square base pyramid, we have total 5 faces. One, the polygonal square base, and 4 congruent triangle attached with all the four sides of a polygonal base. Congruent mean exactly sameness of shape and size. देखने भी सेम होगा, शक्ल भी, मतलब the shape is same, the size is same, area is same, perimeter is same, dimension are same, everything will be same. So with in a square base pyramid, there are total 5 faces. Now I told you in my previous lessons, in my previous videos, that when we calculating the volume of the pyramid, the volume of pyramid always dependent on two things: the area of the polygonal base and the height of the pyramid. So we know that in pyramid there are two types of height. One is height of pyramid, which will be used to find the volume of pyramid. Look here. So whenever we finding the volume of pyramid always dependent on the area of the polygonal base and the height of pyramid. So the formula is always, when we calculating, when your teacher said, when I said, or anyone said in any book, it said find the volume of the pyramid. So when we calculating the volume, mean when we calculating the occupying space by any pyramid, so the formula is 1/3 multiplied by area of base, mean area of polygonal base, into height of pyramid. So this is the polygonal base, the square base. So this pyramid has a square base. So formula will be 1/3 multiplied by L square, because area of base. So what is base? Square base. So we will substituting L square because the area of square is L square. जब भी हम स्क्वायर का सरफेस कैलकुलेट करते हैं, तो सरफेस कैलकुलेट करने का फॉर्मूला होता है डायमेंशन मल्टीप्लाई डायमेंशन, लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई लेंथ, विच इज L square. So 1/3 multiplied by polygonal base, which is square base, multiplied by height of pyramid. Now this is important. There are two type of height in a pyramid. Number one is called height of pyramid. So what is height of pyramid? This is height of pyramid. The shortest vertical distance from this common vertex to the polygonal base. Now what is vertex and common vertex? All the corner points. Look here. This is the first corner point. This A. This B is the second corner point, C is the third, and D is the fourth. So all of these are called corner point. In the same way, A is also a corner point. So all the corners points are called the vertex, and plural is vertices. So A is the vertex, B is the vertex, C is the vertex, D is the vertex. These are polygonal vertex, and O is called a common vertex. Common vertex or apex. Why we call it common vertex or apex? Because of the reason that all the triangular faces, this slanted triangle, this front slanted triangle, this back slanted triangle O, D and C, and this DOC. All the four slanted triangle meet at this common vertex. So we call it special vertex, common vertex, and we name it apex. So this is apex. So the shortest vertical distance from this apex to the polygonal base, this is called height of pyramid. So this height is only using when we calculating the total space occupying by the pyramid. So 1/3 multiplied by area of polygonal base, which is square, L square, into height of pyramid. So always remember, when we calculating the volume of pyramid, we need two things: the area of polygonal base plus the height of the pyramid. Now after this, our second topic is total surface area of pyramid. Total surface, we know that surface mean, this is called surface. So surface area mean the amount of surface covered by the pyramid. So surface area mean the total surface covered by all the five faces of this pyramid. So total surface area always mean total surface of all the faces of the pyramid. So all we know that pyramid depend on polygonal base. So four-sided polygonal base. So four side, and with all the four side there will be a slanted triangle face attached with it. So four triangular faces plus one square base. So for this pyramid, especially for this pyramid, हर pyramid का एक अलग surface हो गया, ठीक है? For this pyramid, total surface area of all the faces, the first face is polygonal base, which is a square, plus with all the four sides of square there will be four triangular faces attached with it. So one square plus four congruent triangles. All the four triangles are congruent. So we know that area of square is always L square, length multiplied by length, plus four triangles. So we know that area of one triangle is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Okay, so surface area mean total surface of all the faces. So this is a square base pyramid. So a square base pyramid has five faces, one square polygonal base and four congruent triangle attached with all the side, all the length of our square polygonal base. Okay, the polygonal square base. So remember, when we calculating volume, we are using the height of the pyramid, shortest vertical distance from apex to the polygonal base. But when we calculating the total surface area, so total surface area means this is the height of the triangle. Always remember, the height of the triangle is always the slant height of pyramid. This height of triangle is always slant height of the pyramid. Look here. So this height is basically this. This height is basically the slant height of the pyramid. What is now slant height of the pyramid? Like height mean the shortest vertical distance from apex to the polygonal base. In the same way, what is slant height? Slant height are basically the height of slanted triangular faces. Look here. This one. This is the slant height of the pyramid. This is another one slant height of the pyramid. Look here. This is height of pyramid, shortest vertical distance from apex to the polygonal base. But this height of slanted triangular face, this is base of triangle. The length of square is a base of triangle. Look here, because the base is exactly joined with the length of the side of a square. So this length of square is also the base of the slanted triangular face, and this is called height of triangle. So always remember the height of triangle. This height of slanted triangle face is called slant height of pyramid. So this slant height or the height of the triangular face, this slant height or height of the triangle face, we will use it in total surface area when we calculating the total surface area of pyramid. Total surface area of, so L square, because area of polygonal square, plus four triangles. So why 4? Because all the triangle are congruent, so सबका area must be same. So why we calculating each of them separately? Calculate one area and multiply by 4. So half into base into height. So this is very important. This height of triangle is the slant height of the pyramid. Now, wait. I try my best to explain it with the model. Basically, I need a helper, but unfortunately, I don't have any helper. But I try my best to explain you. Look here, class. Okay, now this is the net of the pyramid. This is the net of the square base pyramid. Okay, look here. Yes, this is the net of the square base pyramid. So this one is the polygonal square base. So a square is a four-sided figure: A, B, C, D, then A. So side AB, side BC, side CD, and then again side AD. So this is a square base pyramid. A square is a four-sided closed figure, four-sided polygon. Okay. So now with this polygonal base, with this face, there are four triangles attached with it. The first triangle with this, look here, the first triangle. Okay. The second triangle attached with side BC. The third triangle attached with side CD. This is the third one. And the fourth triangle attached with AD. Okay, class. So this is a square base pyramid. The square base pyramid means the square is a polygonal base, and with all the four sides there will be a slanted triangle face attached with it. So in case of square base pyramid, all the four triangles, all four triangles are congruent. Why they are congruent? Because their bases are same, their height are same, and we know that the height of this pyramid, look here, their bases are same. If this is square base, if this is 16, this is also 16, this is also 16, this is also, if this is 12, this is also 12, this is also 12, this is also. So the length of the square is the height of the base of the triangle. The base of the, this is base of the triangle, and this is also length of the square. So in square base pyramid, all the four triangles are congruent. Why they are congruent? Because their heights and their bases are same. The base 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay. If this is 16, so this is also 16, this is also 16, this is also 16. So that's why all the four triangles are congruent. So when we calculating the total surface area, it depends on the total faces. So have you seen it clearly? It has five faces, one square and four congruent triangle. Okay, so look here. So this height, have you seen this height? This height of the triangle will become the slant height, like this. It will become slanted. Look here. This height of the triangle will become the slant height of the pyramid when we join all the slanted triangle like this. Look here, when we join all the slanted triangles. Have you seen it? Basically, I need a helper, but unfortunately I don't have any helper, but still I try my best to explain you. So look here, all the slanted triangle meet at this point. This is point O. So this is called common vertex. Okay, now I try my best to join the fourth one also. I need a helper, guys, but unfortunately I don't have any helper. So look here, wait a minute, guys, I need a help. Rina, ऊपर से लो, भले ऊपर से पूरा आना चाहिए. Look here, guys, this is a square base pyramid. So this is length of a square, and this is also the base of the triangle. So look here, this length is also a base of a triangle, and this is height of the pyramid. So when we meet, so look here, all the triangular faces meet at a common vertex. So this point is a common vertex. Have you seen this point? Look here, this is the common vertex. This point is the common vertex where all the slanted triangle face meet each other. So this point is called the common vertex. Okay, and these are the four slanted triangle: first, second, third, and fourth. And this is a polygonal base. So guys, height of the triangular faces, this height of the triangle face, this becomes the slant height. Look here. Look here. This one is height of triangle. This is common vertex. Look here, guys. This is common vertex. So this is common vertex. So the shortest vertical distance, the shortest vertical distance, this one. The shortest vertical distance, this one. The shortest vertical distance from the apex to the polygonal base. This is height of pyramid. Okay. Now, what is slant height of pyramid? This is slant height of pyramid. Look here. This height of triangle. This become the slant height of the pyramid, because this height of the triangle, when we look here, join it, the triangle become the slanted triangle. So this height of triangle is now become the slant height of the pyramid. So this is the slant height of the pyramid. Okay, look here, this one. This is the slant height of the pyramid. This is vertical height, okay, and this is the slanted height of a pyramid. Look here, this. It formed like this. This is vertical height, and this is the slant height. It forming a right angle basically. Look here. This vertical height, slant height, and the base, the ground. Look here. It forming a slanted triangle. So the height of the pyramid, the height of the triangular face. This height of the triangle face is called slant height of the pyramid. So this slant height is used when we finding the total surface area of pyramid. So total surface area is area square plus 4 triangle. So area of triangle is half, multiply base, multiply by height. So remember, this is the slant height, which is basically the height of the triangular faces. This is slant height or height of the triangular face. So remember, when we calculating the total surface area, we will use the slant height. The main point is slant height is basically this height of the triangle is basically the slant height. So always remember, when we calculating total surface area, we are using slant height. This is slant height. Okay guys, I hope I make it clear to you.